Welcome to my kitchen, where today we're whipping up a hearty and comforting tuna potato casserole, paired with a vibrant salad on the side. Begin by slicing one onion into half rings. Friends, please write in the comments what country and city are you from. It's very nice to know that we can communicate all over the world. If you enjoy my content, subscribe to the channel to receive notifications about new similar recipes. In a pan over medium heat, add a drizzle of olive oil. Once the oil is heated, add the sliced onions and cook them until they become soft and translucent. This process usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent burning. While the onions are cooking, peel and chop 4 medium potatoes into evenly sized chunks. Pour cold water into the pan. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to the water. Then place the potato chunks into the pan. Bring the water to a gentle boil and cook the potatoes for approximately 15 to 20 minutes until they are fork tender. Once the onions are softened, it's time to add the canned tuna. Open 2 cans of tuna packed in natural brine, and add the tuna to the pan with the onions and stir to combine. Then, incorporate 2 tablespoons of tomato paste to add depth of flavor to the mixture. Pour in 1 ladle of the potato broth, the liquid from boiling the potatoes, to enhance the sauce. Let the mixture simmer for another 3 minutes on low heat to allow the flavors to meld. When the potatoes are fully cooked, remove them from the heat and drain off the water. Return the potatoes to the pot and add 1 ounce or 30 grams of butter. Also, pour 1 cup of warm milk. Using a potato masher, mash the potatoes until they are smooth and creamy. Grease baking dishes with vegetable oil to prevent sticking. Start by layering the bottom of each dish with a portion of the mashed potatoes. Next, spoon a layer of the tuna and onion mixture over the potatoes. Repeat the layers. Grate 4 ounces or 120 grams of soft cheese. Sprinkle it evenly over the top of each casserole. Preheat the oven to 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Place the assembled casseroles in the oven and bake for approximately 15 minutes. While the casserole is baking, prepare a simple salad to accompany the dish. Toss salad greens in a bowl. Cut 2 handfuls of cherry tomatoes into halves. Slice 1 red onion. Put into a separate bowl. Add a cup of hot water, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it well and left for 5 minutes to mellow the flavor. Drain the onions and add them to the salad. Finish by drizzling the salad with olive oil and seasoning with salt to taste. Once the casserole is done baking, remove it from the oven and let it cool slightly. Serve the tuna potato casserole alongside the fresh salad for a complete and satisfying meal. Enjoy the comforting flavors and textures of this homemade dish. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!